To address the Rheem Tankless water heater error code 11, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. Error code 11 typically indicates an ignition problem. The common causes of this issue include low gas pressure, a clogged or faulty spark igniter, or a poor gas valve wire connection. To resolve this problem, start by checking the gas pressure when the water heater is in operation. The gas pressure should fall within the range of 1.25 to 3.24 kPa. If the pressure is lower than this, ensure the gas inlet valve is fully open. Inspect the gas supply line for damage, and replace the supply hose if necessary. Additionally, inspect and clean the spark igniter by unplugging the heater and gas supply, locating the spark igniter near the burner assembly, and disassembling it to check for damage or clogging. Use a soft brush to remove any buildup and then reassemble the spark igniter. It's also crucial to inspect the gas valve wire connection by unplugging the heater from the power and gas supply and checking for loose, frayed, burned, or corroded connections. Tighten any loose wires, replace damaged ones, and properly reconnect them. If the issue persists after attempting these solutions, it's recommended to contact a professional for further guidance.